निरीक्षण
पाठ था गणतंत्र राज बन गया भारत, गणतंत्र राज बन गया भारत, सपना हुआ साकार था. Students of BrahmPrakashDav School, let us indulge ourselves in the musical journey presented before you by the band party of BrahmPrakashDav School. The team of band party led by Mokshakana and Taman Reddy of class 9. Music, it involves march past, movements, and it creates synchronization and harmony within themselves. Each musical instrument has its own story to tell, but together they weave a wonderful story and take us to a great, wonderful musical journey. The flute itself fills the air with its melodious, soft tune, which is very soulful. Along with flute, we have snare drums, which brings rhythm to the whole band party. Rhythm. Then the sonorous and echoing beats of the drum, adding vigor and energy to the whole performance. And finally, the bugle which gives us a call of patriotism. We are really celebrating the true spirit of our nation. This is a day when we should give a moment to reflect on the journey of our country since 1950. Our country, from being an independent and strong, has become a has covered, but yet more to be achieved. Let us remember the values of freedom, equality, and fraternity, the only values that will guide us forward. What a fusion of music, movement, showcasing the incredible talent and dedication of our young musicians. Believe me, these children have dedicated many hours of practice to be in front of you presenting this musical performance. They have put their soul and heart into this. Slow march past, along with music. Their march past and musical representation remind us of the rich heritage and tradition that bind us together as of one nation, one country. Nothing can be more beautiful to express our love for nation and celebrating our unity in diversity. Moshkina of class 9 leading the band party. Saluting our chief guest.
My colleague director Muthukumar, principal of Bpdav, teachers, wish you all today very good morning. Today we have assembled here to celebrate the 76th. In 1950, our constitution came into force, establishing India as sovereign, socialist, secular in 1947. And 1950, we have made our constitution, made India as a republic country. With this, over the level of our developed countries, now our country is fifth country when among all the developed country, and we are growing further. The legal foundation, but also embodies the principles of justice, liberty, equality, fraternity that bind our diverse nation together. It also places a responsibility on us to uphold the pride of our great nation to the best of our abilities. And as a self-reliance organization and nation's pride, and Midhani also has grown like the company's growth. Today, we are at, if you see, wherever our service organization, defense organizations are there, our space organization is there, we are there. Whatever achieved, and we should feel proud to be part of this company, and we have to continue to support the country's requirement through our efforts. Now, I would like to mention some important achievements of Midhani for the last 1 year. 72 crores and VOP is 1,142 crores. And also, that is over the years we reached from further this first half of this year 24-25 30th September, we have surpassed more than the previous year's requirement. Now situations are changed. Now we are approaching foreign customers also, and our exports have last year it is 63 crores. In 24-25 we already got 1,200 crores order and expecting another 700 crores order. And our order book today is 1,930 crores. So it is never in the history of Midhani we have this much of order book. So it is now, it is our turn how to achieve the same by way of to become Midhani partner to them to supply the very strategic raw materials required to them. Coming to production side, earlier it is 1 ton per month, now we have gone to 5 ton, and there is every chance of increasing further. And we got last year orders from HAL for Sukhoi, LCA and AMCA program, and this is a country's own indigenization right future to the Midhani. We are also establishing state-of-the-art facilities on quantum technologies. And coming to the welfare front, welfare of the employees, welfare of in and around of Midhani, last year we contract employees. Last year we have given nearly 64 promotions to the executives, and first time in the history of Midhani. And coming to the training, we have given training, capacity building program by Vigilance, and also more than 250 employees were trained in Center of Excellence. We have our own building, Center of Excellence. There we have trained 250 employees. That means 1/3 of our strength. We have also installed CC cameras and surveillance system, centralized surveillance system under the control of CIS. Also, we have a best e-house journal, Rajbhasha magazine, Sankalp by Twalik. Another important thing, health is a wealth. Now we are also planning to our contract labor who are also associated with Midhani for a more number of years. Next, to have transparency in our process, as per the directives of CVC and Ministry, we have finalized several manuals. People are changing. As a succession plan, we have introduced so many manuals, and SOPs also made for exports, marketing, and we have amended the delegation of power also to suit the present requirement, and it is circulated to among the executives who will make the proposals, make a decision making. Coming to the other important activity which Government of India is all along insisting for the company primary health care center, which is meeting the requirements of the poor people in and around Midhani, even from outside also they are coming. I am proud to say nearly 10,000 poor people have taken treatment from our MPSC, where the medicines, tests, everything free of cost, it is given health. So what we planned, our MPSC trust, they have made a procedure that chronic patients, they will be given every month free medicine. Accordingly, nearly more than 1,000 chronic patients were registered. Every month they are getting medicine without any cost. And nearly we are spending the cost to maintain the cost of the studies at a lower level. We used to make funding them by way of giving some facilities under CSR. Our Bpdav will flourish and they can accommodate more children, because Bpdav is having a very big name in and around, is occupied very high position. I really appreciate the efforts of Bpdav school teachers and principal on this account. See, when it is coming to CSR, not only spending here, we are also spending on skill development. 15 children, SC, ST, OBC, free education from the account of Midhani till first stand LKG to Government of India undertaking. We are supporting other activities on education and health in Kerala, in Andhra, at remote areas, not even here in other states. And we are also supporting Usmania Hospital or other government hospitals by providing ambulance. We are providing nearly every year, we are spending more than 4 crores on this account. This is all possible because of all Midhanians. Another important thing, as per the Government of India directives, Swachhata Pakwada, and another, the 10,000 plants have to be installed before 26 January. They have successfully completed all 10,000 within a less period. I think it is only in 6 days. I really appreciate them, the executive, the officer, and whoever is their contract labor, all that. They put all organization and it supply for all strategic requirements. Midhani is a partner for every area, like we take Indian Air Force, regular requirement like missiles or tanks or aircrafts. Wherever they have a requirement, wherever they want to do indigenous respect to equipment suppliers. There, without Midhani, they don't produce. That is, Midhani will never compromise on quality and they will never see for the 76th year for Midhani. It is a 52 years we have completed, and when country grows, Midhani should also grow. There is a huge 20 years we achieved this. It is not difficult to achieve 5 digit in next 10 years. This is the requirement by, I say, 2035. I can hear that Midhani crossed 10,000 crores. This is what my expectation. On this regard, I wish all the Midhanians all the best, and also once again I wish you all a happy Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.